To set vertex colors to the mesh in Blender, we need to set up the material first. Use a simple mix color node and set it to multiply, and hook a color attribute to it like this. Now go to Vertex Painting mode and go to Paint and click on Dirty Vertex Colors. You can switch dirt only or not. Dirt only seems only curvature or including AO as well. I disable it most of the time. Depending on the prop, you are maybe done now, but let me adjust some parts to show you how. For quick adjustments, you can set the levels of your vertex colors and change the contrast. Let me show you how you can bring color to selected faces or vertices. Select some parts in Edit mode first, switch back to Vertex Paint mode, then click on Vertex Selection. Now you can go to Paint and set Vertex Colors. The color on the left side will be used. Here you see black. Let me change it to gray and select some other parts I want to shade the same. Sometimes you need to try a bit, but you are also able to paint or blur the color on the vertex too if you don't need 100% precision. The top part will be darker, of course, because the monitor will stand most of the time. Here you can see the difference. I think it is a huge change in visuals without any performance drop, extra textures or much more work.